Villagers urge authority for revival of Dilojan PHE service. KSA meet Elvin Dera, lauds him for his faith. Two EMs jointly inaugurates work completed at Paklongkang Waterfalls. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbin Long Live, your visually baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. Due to years of neglect and lack of maintenance, the PHE scheme established at Phangcho village in Dilojan, falling under the 22 Sarupathar MSC constituency, is lying in dilapidated condition, depriving the locals of drinking water. Now the people of the area have appealed upon the authority for its revival. The PHE of Dilojan Phangcho village had completed 30 years, but the water supply scheme has stopped functioning since the past 8 years due to reasons best known to the concerned department. All of the villages covered under this water supply scheme has since remained deprived of drinking water. According to the villagers, the concerned department did not take required measures when the problems with the facilities started, and the lack of concerns for the people by the department has led to its present condition. The residents lamented over the fact that the department has not taken any step even after the water supply scheme has stopped providing its services for 8 years now. Locals expressed their disappointment on the state government and demanded answers as to whether the department are responsible for the lack of action, or was there any officials or middlemen who did not carry out the repair or renovation works. The staff who are engaged here comes daily, but the damage at the water supply facility could not be fixed by them. The staffs are also only waiting for the higher authority of the department for their action of the matter. Meanwhile, local people of the area have urged upon the concerned department under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for early initiative for its revival and resume its services in order to solve their drinking water crisis they are facing. Subhas Terang's report from Langchathing for Karbin Long Live. The district executive meeting of the Mahasau's BJP ST Morcha was held on Friday at District Club Maibang in the Mahasau. The meeting was graced by NCAJC CEM Debolal Gorlosa and attended by EM Samuel Changsan, MEC Bijit Langthasa, EM Golonjo Thausen, EM Nibolal Thausen, District BJP President Don Painon Thausen, District BJP ST Morcha President Suras Naiding, other BJP leaders and large number of BJP Karyakartas. The program started with lighting of lamp, followed by a welcome speech by ST Morcha President, highlighting the developmental activities initiated by the BJP in the district as well as in the state and nation. While addressing the gathering, CM Gorlosa said that the BJP is committed for all-round development in the country and called the Karyakartas for active participation to serve peoples. He also said that the present workers are the future of the nation and appeal them to work sincerely with heart as the future relies on them. CM Gorlosa also briefed on the development activities under BJP-led NC Hills Autonomous Council form, raising council's revenue from Rs 17 crore to Rs 42 crore, solving the 10 months salary issue with increments, etc. He also added that more revenues would be generated by installing several development schemes allotted by the Modi-led BJP government for self-sustenance. Speaking about the forthcoming assembly election, he said that the BJP will emerge with absolute majority in the state.
जो परिवार में लीडरशिप जो पार्टी में और काउंसिल में लीडरशिप होना है, एक दूसरे में हमें भिन्ना है। यार ये लोग के लिए नहीं सोचना है। तो सिर्फ अभी एमएलए के लिए इलेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है। एमएलए के बाद भी हम लोग का यहाँ काउंसिल का बीजेपी सरकार चलते रहेगा। स्टेट में तो जीतेगा सेंट्रल में तो है। पर आज के दिन में हमारा 2-3 शब्द जो स्पेशली आप लोग जो कि ये दिमाग सा मीटिंग में आने वाला लोग सीएम सर का जो शब्द और आगे से बोलने वाले जो बातें
मीटिंग में प्रोग्राम हुआ, आप लोग कार्यकर्ता बीजेपी का मंडल हो, जितना भी यहाँ का लीडर्स, आप लोग, हम पूरा विश्वास से हम लोग का मिशन टारगेट 2021 में असम में 126 एमएलए सीट है, उसमें से हम लोग का एक ही है, क्वांटिटी नहीं है क्वालिटी दिखाएगा, सबसे अच्छा मार्जिन हमसे हम लोग दिखाएगा और असम सरकार भी, असम गवर्नमेंट भी हम लोग को माया करेगा बोल के हम लोग विश्वास है। तो इसलिए लास्ट एमपी इलेक्शन में भी हम लोग एमएलए का, हम लोग का एमपी में फर्स्ट एमएलए है, उसमें सबसे अच्छा परसेंटेज हम लोग दिलाया।
Suraj Burman from Haflong for Karbin Long Live. The first executive meeting of the BJP Hauraghat Mahila Morcha was held at Hauraghat Kirat Bhavan on Saturday. During the meeting, the BJP Women Wing discussed several important matters for the upcoming MLA election. The meeting began at 2 p.m. and was led by Hauraghat Mahila Morcha President Sathi Acharji and was attended as chief guest by KAACEM Khonsing Rongpi, District Mahila Morcha President Roshmi Teronpi, Vice President Ambika Rongpipi, General Secretary Nilibon Teronpi, Hauraghat VDC Chairman GC Kemprai, Hauraghat Municipal Board Chairman Pratap Hendik and others.
আজি হাওড়াঘাট ফার্স্ট এক্সিকিউটিভ মহিলা মিটিঙত আমি নথৈ আনন্দিত, কাৰণ আমাৰ মহিলাবিলাকে যিমান আহিব 39 PSৰ পৰা যিমান আহিব লগা আছে কমপ্লিট আহিছে। গতিকে ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি এইটো মেছেজ দিব পাৰোঁ যে আমি আগন্তুক ইলেকশ্যনত আমি আমাৰ MLA ছাৰক কেনেকৈ আমি আগুৱাই লৈ যাব পাৰোঁ বা হাই স্কুলত জিকাব পাৰোঁ, সেইটো আমাৰ এটা আশা।
আজি আমাৰ অল ইষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলং মণ্ডল মহিলা মৰ্চা প্ৰথম ফাৰ্ষ্ট এক্সিকিউটিভ মিটিং 17 মণ্ডল আছে। আজি 17 মণ্ডলৰ পৰা আমি এক্সিকিউটিভ মিটিং এতিয়া বৰ্তমানলৈকে আমি প্ৰগ্ৰামটো সফল হৈছে।
While addressing the local media, AM Khonsing Rongpi's wife, Chitra Teronpi, expressed confidence over party's performance in the upcoming state assembly election and claimed that BJP would sweep the election by huge margin and would be able to garner around 25,000 to 30,000 votes. Harsing Rongpi from Havarkihat for Karbin Long Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Welcome back after the break. Karbi Students Association Kheroni unit met Elvin Dera at his home on Saturday and honored him for his feat at the Kusti game played at Dongal International Playground. However, due to lack of local support, the young lads was forced to go to Nepal and change his name to Mahavir Thapa and represented Nepal at the international level. Elvin Dera, known as Mahavir Thapa, was born in Kheroni or Phelangpi. Due to extreme poverty, Dera had to leave his parents and home to work at circus, where he worked for over 10 years. His skills and talents was discovered by one Raju from Nepal, who took him under his care, and it was there he first learned Kusti, or the form of wrestling played in the Indian subcontinent. Dera represented Nepal at the international level and played at India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Nepal and had won over 5 championships. Immediately after receiving news of his story and performance, the Karbi Students Association Kheroni unit met Elvin Dera and his family. The students' body felicitated Dera and lauded him for his success at wrestling sports. The KSA had urged the local sports authority to support him in his games. In such situation, the support of the Karbi Anglong Sports Association is very much needed. KSA say that it is an honor to have such a player from among the tribe. Match videos of Mahavir Thapa or Elvin Thapa are easily available on YouTube.
Alangdi Elvindera alang li Elvindera mate Mahavir Thapa putapu alang li ada kusti patutu mate dangal ala bangso ko patulong alang li mane penangana khelo le don lo la pen hai don lo la si nitum agilong sidak emena menit pucema tha pe nitum alang li panang karcho ke bang pini dak facilitate han
Praga ni papan khela dun tilo par dakta nimenta chance phaglo first nimen ke Elvindera pu karbi inglong sido ne asam karbi inglong sido men udak nehan ni bayra gam klen damut nehan pondelo ne jo ni guruji nepali nehan pondelo par nehan lo dana ucar duni ma pondelo par neta dunjila par la son ke kla after ni da chini ne par akon khanla par la se de meselo charli da meselo
Mohanter on report from Kheroni for Karbin Long Live. Mahamaya MSc Lunsing Teron and Korkanthi MSc Raju Tiso had on Saturday jointly inaugurated the work completed at Paklongkam Dikrutpi waterfall or picnic spot. The work was done jointly under the Tourism Department and PNRD Department. As a part of the work sanctioned by the two departments under KAAC, tree rest house, an RCC footbridge and a toilet was constructed in the picnic spot. On Saturday, the respective executive member in charge of the two departments, who are also local MSCs, went to the site and inaugurated the newly constructed amenities. Apart from the MSCs, the program was attended by Mahamaya VDC Chairman Orson Rongpi, Korkanthi Mondal President Doloi Inti, and several other dignitaries. During the inauguration program, a decision was taken to set up a committee that will look after the safety and security of the place and the visitors. The team Paklongkam Bharatiya Janata Party workers submitted a memorandum to the EMs urging them to take up more developmental works in the picnic spot as well as the adjacent areas. Later in the day, the EMs headed to Dongmokak, where they inaugurated a new open stage at Dokmoka Higher Secondary School.
Lalu di, kasi isi tourism pen ilitum ali ekilo ilitum apa. Non Darjeeling, Sikkim along people lo, muni datum damare. Irthe muni tum hada people lo damare. Hala dam Nepali irthe itu significant.
Asila isia komiti bang tabakar ke langgu depan disiplin ke maintain je pan peace maintain je pan komiti se ke bang tabakar ko kosi la sila so komiti bang ke bot la jongsi honorable matai teron saho jongsi itu maphan ilit walong je dondun kunatante la bang so komiti phan bang ke bot constituency Mahamaya and Korkanthi.
Samsing Inti from Dokmoka for Karbin Long Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbin Long Live.